In this video, we are going to see how to get 95 percentile for CPU utilization percentage in analysis in capacity optimization. To configure 95 percentile, log into TSCO console with an administrator user, navigate to administration, data warehouse, custom statistics. Here click on rule-based statistics, add stat, name 95 percentile, type percentile. We'll click advanced here. Here type a percentile discrete. Input resolution I'm choosing at hour. Time aggregation I'm selecting as monthly. Input statistics I'm choosing at average. Percentile order I'm selecting here at 95 and order is ascending, and then we'll save this. Now we'll click on this 95 percentile. If you want to generate the percentile for all system having a certain metric, for example CPU util, choose generate for metric, add global metric. Otherwise, just choose the system for which you want the metric to be generated by choosing add system metric. The difference is that generate for metric has a higher impact in terms of data warehousing, resources required, and also an impact in terms of database space. So normally we would only want to choose a set of meaningful imported system. To choose generate for system, I'll click here add system metric. We'll choose the set of system. For example, I'm just taking one, and here I'll choose CPU utilization by CPU and we'll save it. Here click on add global metric, select metric. I'm choosing here at CPU utilization and save it. Data will be warehoused based on this custom statistics. We can disable the aging for the time being, and we can also click on historical recovery. I'll just give it from first and we'll click on OK. It may take several times for statistics to be calculated. If you disabled aging, you can do an historical recovery for a period starting from more than 30 days, where 30 days is the aging of your detailed data. We can recover without disabling the aging if the historical recovery is shorter than the aging of the details. Always remember to re-enable the aging once recovery is completed. We can now go to an analysis. I'm here in the CPU utilization and click on edit. Scroll to the bottom, click on statistics selection, show custom statistics, edit. As you can see, the 95 percentile is here, the one which we have just created. I'll move it to the selected items and apply it, and then we'll save it. This will allow the particular analysis to have a result in 95 percentile. Thank you for watching and have a great day.